All right, so I drew a light circle and a light triangle just to show you how you would um, use these simple shapes as a base to start a drawing for a character, right? So I don't know if you guys know anything about Sanrio, but they have really cute and simple characters that you can draw. So I'll draw one of those. So again, I have this light circle and light triangle that I drew, and I'm just using that as a base. I'm going to draw over that, okay? So again, all these characters are is just basically simple shapes. You just combine those triangles and circles and whatnot, and you make your character. And notice I didn't, I didn't use all that. Well, let me redo that. I don't need to use the exact lines either. I can change those if I want to. That's fine. As I said, that's what the eraser is for. It's to erase the excess, right? And notice this is different than when I was drawing the Mickey Mouse. I just drew that Mickey Mouse that way, just to kind of make it like mysterious, but in reality, you shouldn't draw characters like that, really, because it's a lot more difficult. So I don't think this is going to look exactly like how I want it to, but that's okay too. Um, it's just having fun, right? Just drawing practice and using the shapes as kind of a base for what you want. Can't forget to draw the monkey tail. Maybe I'll give her a mouth too. Alright, so then what would I do with that? Well, I would take the eraser lightly, and then that's when I would start to kind of erase that excess there. Okay? All those lines that I didn't really need, those light lines, they should erase rather easily. Okay, and again, this is on the iPad, so it's not the same as if I was drawing on paper, which would be a little bit easier. But I think you get the idea, right? So all those light excess lines, you just take those away. And you're left with your little character there. Her name is Tammy. So if you wanted to write that in Japanese, Tammy. Okay. All right, so you guys spend the rest of the time just fooling around with shapes. So do the same type of thing that I'm doing, draw the triangles and squares and circles, and just fool around and see what you can do, right? Just let your imagination run wild.